Today, I'm talking about something that so many moms face, clogged milk ducts, and more importantly, how to massage them effectively for relief, because there's a lot of bad advice out there. But before we dive in, I want to share a free resource that I know you're gonna love. I've created a breastfeeding troubleshooting guide that's packed with practical tips for overcoming common breastfeeding challenges. You can grab it for free using the link in the description below. So let's get started and get you some relief. Clogged ducts are pretty common when breastfeeding. They happen due to inflammation in the milk ducts, which causes narrowing of those milk ducts. This can happen for a variety of reasons, anything from oversupply to milk stasis where that milk isn't being removed, damage to the breast, incorrect flange sizes, and even from gut issues. You might notice tenderness, swelling, and even redness around the area. This often causes a decrease in milk flow. Despite what many believe, it's actually not a big clog of milk that you need to pump or nurse out. Some people report seeing a clump come out, but this is likely the inflammation and not just a blob of milk that was clogging things up. The good news is a little TLC with the right massage techniques can help get things flowing again and prevent it from turning into mastitis, but the wrong massage can make it worse. So before you start massaging, preparation is key. Here's what I recommend. Start with a warm compress. Yes, the ABM guidelines don't recommend heat for clogged ducts, which I generally agree with. However, sometimes a quick warm compress, such as with these Lansinoh TheraPearls, can be beneficial if it feels good. I find that it can make the massage feel a little bit more comfortable too. If you choose, just place a warm compress over the affected area for a few minutes before you start to massage. To make the massage even more comfortable, you can apply a small amount of oil, like coconut or olive oil, or another non-greasy lotion. Castor oil can work well as well, but make sure to wash off your breasts afterwards. This may improve comfort and provide some anti-inflammatory benefits. Sit in a comfortable chair or lay on your bed, whatever is most comfortable for you. So now let's get into the massage. Follow these steps, but obviously work with a lactation consultant for your situation. Begin with some gentle breast movements using very gentle pressure, and we're talking like gently petting a cat or dog. Massage around your breast. You can do some finger tapping as well. It's important not to do a deep tissue massage as this can lead to more discomfort and damage. Next, using that same gentle pressure, massage outwards towards your armpit like this, and outward and upwards. You can start in one area of the breast and then move to the next. If possible, do this before a pumping or nursing session. If you're done with your routine and you are done with pumping and nursing, apply cold packs for about 20 minutes afterwards. You can also use these throughout the day for continued relief, and again, I like these Lansinoh TheraPearls. Once you've cleared the clog and that inflammation, you want to prevent it from happening again. Here's how to do it. Nurse or pump frequently. Avoid long gaps between feedings to keep milk flowing. On the flip side, don't overpump when you have clogged ducts, as this can lead to more inflammation and more damage. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water. Your milk supply and breast health depend on it. I highly recommend a quality source of electrolytes as well, so not just straight water. Avoid tight bras that don't fit well. Opt for well-fitted nursing bras that don't put unnecessary pressure on your breasts. Some find that avoiding sleeping on their stomach helps as well. Remember, breastfeeding doesn't have to be a struggle, and these small adjustments can make a huge difference. If you're dealing with clogged ducts, I know how frustrating and painful it can be, but you're not alone. With the right techniques and a little patience, you can find relief and get back to enjoying your breastfeeding journey. Always reach out to a lactation consultant for advice on your specific experience. I also wanted to mention my ebook, The Clogged Duct Cure, which has a step-by-step guide with everything you need to know about treating and preventing clogged ducts. It's perfect for moms who want to avoid mastitis and keep their breastfeeding experience as smooth as possible. You can grab your copy through the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with another mom who might need it. And as always, feel free to reach out with any questions or comments that you have. I'm here to help. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.